Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this website www.gigabyte.com. This is official website, so you can download any devices of Gigabyte. You can download easily. So first, so open, after that you can search button and then enter your model number B860M D3HP and then hit enter. Then click to product. Then click on the title of the model number. This is your motherboard, so click on support. So guys, select operating system which is required, Windows 10, 11, any operating system. Installations process same, so you can see this video and then install driver. Okay, VGA, Intel VGA driver, and click to download. You can say start downloading, so wait few seconds to complete. After that, show you how to install. It is completed. VGA graphic driver, click to open, double click to exe. Then click to yes. Now this is installing. Wait few seconds to complete. And it is closed automatically, means this is installed, and then close it.